What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And right here we have probably one of the sickest dash cams I have ever seen. Okay, this dash cam has 4 different type of recordings, you guys, and it's 4K. all right, 4K on front recording, 1080p on the rear recording, and also this thing records your left driver's side, all right, and it records on your right passenger side, all right, depending on which way you're looking at your car. All right, anyways, 1080p for the inside and your rear, and 4K for your front recording. This is insane. All right, now, as you know, sometimes I hop on some delivery apps, and you know what the delivery apps are. It is Uber or DoorDash or whatever is your choice of delivery. This is probably one of the most important things to have, and plus, if you buy it, you can use it as a tax write-off, right? So give me all a little game right there. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Now, I may do 2 parts. I might do the unboxing on one video, and I might go ahead and do the install on another video, and I'll do one all together. Another thing, you guys, they said this thing does voice command. Now, I am not sure if the voice command is by Alexa, Google, or Siri. It might have its own built-in voice command to it. The most important thing of the product, the instructions. Yes, okay. Alrighty. Yeah, this is gonna be a big review, you guys. This is gonna be a big one. All right, this is peel off the mask after the application is complete. It says peel off the mask after the application is complete. So we will figure out what this is later. Just want to show y'all this, and I also forgot that this is night vision. So for you late delivery drivers out there, truck drivers, whatever you do, you have some night vision. And they said this thing has a built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. All right, so we do get a 128 gigabyte SD. It comes already with it, and it supports up to 256 gigabytes. All right, now we have the screen right here, and then we have 2 cameras here. So obviously this is the driver's side, this is the passenger side, and then you have the front side camera. You have another hookup right here. This has a 24-hour it's like a 24-hour surveillance parking mode. So if it's in parking, whoever walks by the car within 3 to 4 meters, it will detect that, and it will start recording 1 minute for 1 full minute. Something like your Ring camera. When somebody walk past, it detects them, and it records for, like, I don't know, like 30 seconds or a minute, or however long you want it to record. But on this, it says it records for 1 minute. All right, and when I got this, they did send the sensor part in a separate box, and that's about it, you guys. I'm ready to head to the car in a little bit and go ahead and install this bad boy and use it